Algebra tiles are mathematical manipulatives that can model and represent numbers, equations, and expressions. We have 6 different algebra tiles that we use. For example, to model 5, you would use 5 of the positive 1 tiles. To model 5x, you would use 5 of the x tiles. We will use these throughout mathematics to model and think about how to make our mathematics visual. Subtracting integers. In the elementary school, 5 minus 2, the difference of 5 and 2, you would have found 5 physical counters. Could have been a bear, a block, whatever was at your hands. Today, we're going to use our algebra tiles. I have 5 ones. That models my 5. Now, to show the difference between 5 and 2, I remove 2 tiles. Left with 3 tiles. The difference of 5 and 2 is 3. Now let's think about this with integers. 4 minus negative 2. We need to remove negative 2 from our 4. We don't have any negative 2's currently. So what we need to do is we need to change our tiles so that we can remove negative 2 without changing the value of 4. We can do this by adding 0 pairs. If I add 1 0 pair, the value of the tiles on my board is still 4. I have 5 positive 1s and 1 negative 1. I'm going to add a second 0 pair. Again, the value of all of the tiles in front of you, the 8 tiles in front of you, is 4. Now, I can take 4 and I can remove negative 2. The value here is 4. I remove negative 2. I am left with 6 positive 1s. 4 minus negative 2 is 6. Now the subtraction we're being asked to model is negative 2 minus 3. I modeled my negative 2 with 2 negative 1s, and now I need to take away 3 positives. Again, I don't have any positive values here to remove, so I must add 0 pairs. And in fact, I must add 3 0 pairs. The value of my board here is still negative 2. But now I have positive 1s to remove. So I can remove my 3 positive 1s. And what we're left with is 2 negative 1s, 3 negative 1s. So we have 5 negative 1s. I often find when we're subtracting negatives, it's easiest to say it out loud to help us visualize it. We have negative 5, and we're going to remove negative 2. Negative 5 is modeled there in front of you. To remove negative 2, we're going to take away 2 of the algebra tiles. We're left with 3 negative 1s. Negative 5 minus negative 2, negative 3.